Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm here to wish you a happy new year. I want to talk to you, my dear subscribers. Not only to my subscribers, but to all people who watch my channel. I want us all to be happy in the new year. I want us to feel and look good. It depends only on ourselves. The harder you work, the more you get. I really hope that all people who watch my channel have sewn something beautiful for the New Year parties. I want to thank you all. There are 17,000 subscribers on my channel. I believe that you all are my family. You are always here for me. Your positive comments and gratitude are the best reward for me. This is what gives me strength and willingness to work even when I'm at my low. I want to thank you all for that. A lot of you tell me that my channel changes your lives. Some people tell me that they started sewing. Some of you resumed sewing. You thank me not only for the techniques and designs which I show you, but also for the inspiration I share with you. I'm so happy to hear that from you guys. This is what I'm here for. Guys, there's one thing I want you to understand. I can help you look good, but I can't help you feel the same. It depends only on you. The way you feel affects the way you look, and vice versa. I always tell you that if you are happy, you can make people around you happy as well. Guys, I really hope that you find my tutorials useful. I'm here for you. This is why I'm asking you to write comments to my videos. I want to know what you think. I believe that we achieved great results this year. I'm not the only one who deserves credit for this. We are a team. Me, the tailors of my fashion house, the people who make the videos, and you, my dear subscribers. I showed you a lot of useful techniques and new designs this year. Don't be lazy. Remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to use your imagination and don't stick to one and the same designs. I want you all to be happy, wealthy, and healthy. I wish you, your kids, and all of your families a happy new year. Guys, we need to be different and beautiful every day. I'm sure that my subscribers are the most talented and beautiful in the world. When I see the garments you make on the basis of my tutorials, I become very happy. I'm glad to know that you find my tutorials interesting and useful, that my work is appreciated. 2018 was pretty successful for me in all spheres of life. This is why I can say that I'm happy now. I'm happy with the way I spent the year and with the results I achieved. I really hope that you feel the same way. I promise you that 2019 will be even more interesting. We will work harder. We will show you many more interesting techniques and designs. I will create many more ways to be different and beautiful. I am willing to share my knowledge with you. I'm not greedy. I'm here for you every day. Don't be afraid to try something new. Don't be afraid of complicated techniques and designs. Together, we will make the world beautiful. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, everyone.